Hello and welcome. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep, and today we are diving into the world of technological advancements in plastic manufacturing. In this video, you will learn about the latest innovations in recycling technology, new polymer technology, and even how plastic waste is being turned into clothes and oil. We will also discuss how these innovations are making a significant impact on our environment. So, if you're in the maintenance and operations teams, and you're ready to learn about the future of plastic manufacturing, let's get started. First up, let's talk about recycling technology. IBM has developed a new technology that separates plastic compounds into the original elements. This technology, known as the VolCat, converts used plastic bottles into clean bottles. It's an innovative process that takes plastic bottles and other waste from the oceans and breaks it down via selective digestion of PET plastic. Next, we have new polymer technology. There are potential new pallets that can convert plastic into much better forklift pallets. This could be a game changer in the logistics industry. Moving on, we have recycled clothing. Plastic cluttering the ocean has been converted into shoes in a variety of different styles. The idea of recycling plastics into clothing is making a significant difference in reducing our overall footprint. Then, there's the idea of turning plastic waste into oil. Systems are popping up that can break the compounds down into their base elements. While it's slow and only in the beginning stages of experimenting, this could be a very exciting possibility for the future. Last but not least, there's bacteria breakdown. Scientists are currently working with bacteria that may be able to break down plastic waste by eating it. If they can scale these microorganisms into a sustainable process, it could revolutionize waste management. So what makes these companies and organizations different? Well, they're the ones that look to the future. They're the people who make the march of progress so strong. In the case of plastics and plastic use, it's a powerful compound that has a lot of potential. But why does this matter? The use and the production of plastic have only been increasing over the years, and it's not sustainable. Soon the situation will be critical. Many companies are disinterested in improving the situation, which makes these innovative people, organizations, programs, and companies stand out. Remember, every little step counts. Now, you might be wondering, how can you move into the future? One of the easiest ways is by maintaining what you have. It's really as simple as that. This frees you up to think and dream about ways to make your company better. The companies that can innovate have time to do so. An easy way to free your company up to experiment and dream is by automating parts of your daily, weekly, and other time-based tasks. That's what industrial-based maintenance is all about. Finally, if you want to truly invest in automation, time-saving, and the future, consider a computerized maintenance management system to keep track of everything in your company. It's a smart move that could lead to big things for your business. And that brings us to the end of this video. We've covered the latest innovations in recycling technology, new polymer technology, and how plastic waste is being turned into useful products. We also discussed the importance of maintaining what you have and how a computerized maintenance management system can help your business innovate. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insights and innovations in the world of maintenance and reliability. Don't forget to visit our website at upkeep.com to learn more. Until next time, remember, every little step counts towards a sustainable future.